Hello, good afternoon viewers and welcome to SKTV News. You are watching Afternoon English News with Pavini. First, the headlines. Full dress rehearsal held at historic Kangla as part of preparation for 76th Republic Day celebration to be held on January 26th. And 4.8 magnitude earthquake reported with epicenter in Myanmar closer to Manipur borders in early hours of Friday. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Full dress rehearsal for 76th Republic Day celebration on January 26th was held under heavy security deployment at Kangla today. The full dress rehearsal saw march past from Manipur police contingents, which was led by SP Laishram Sarita as parade commander. Contingents from ex-servicemen, Assam Rifles, BSF, CRPF, Combined Manipur Rifles Contingent, IRB, NCC and Combined Civil Police from hill districts also took part in the rehearsal. Students from Sainik School, Imphal, NCC Senior Air Wing DM College, Imphal College, Manipur College, CC Higher Secondary School, Ibotonsana Girls Higher Secondary School, TG Higher Secondary School and cultural troops representing various indigenous communities of Manipur were also part of the parade. On the other hand, traffic was diverted to alternative routes during the rehearsal. .8 magnitude on Richter scale jolted Indo-Myanmar border at wee hours today. The tremor was felt at northeastern states including Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, Meghalaya and Tripura. The earthquake struck around 12:53 a.m. with its epicenter at Homalin town of Kamti district in Myanmar northern Sagaing division. However, there was been no report of any casualties in the earthquake. PWD Chief Engineer N. Subhash issued an order on January 22 informing that any individual, society or organization wishing to undertake activities pertaining to construction of bridges, minor bridges or culverts on roads or across water channels connecting roads under the jurisdiction of PWD must obtain prior permission from competent authority. The order also directed all construction work taken up without any prior permission must cease immediately and informed that any individual or organization found to be engaged in such illegal construction must bear responsibility for any untoward incidents and any lawful action taken up against them. District Legal Services Authority, Taubal, organized a spot painting competition for internally displaced students at Dramatic Union Auditorium in Kakching District's Langmaidong today. The painting competition was organized as part of National Day of Girl Child and under the aegis of Manipur State Legal Services Authority. Students who are in classes 1 to 4 group participated in the painting competition on the topic Problems faced by girls in Indian society, while those in class 5 to 10 group competed on the topic Empowering Girls for a Better Society. Winners of the competitions were presented with prizes. The ongoing relay hunger strike organized by Uripok Apunbalup and Uripok Nupi Apunbalup demanding action against Kuki militants involved in killing 6 innocent civilians from Jiribam has entered its 70th day. The protesters stated that the whole country celebrated the 10-year anniversary Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao scheme, a central policy that advocates to save women. They added that the women and children of Manipur remain unprotected as Kuki militants continue to kill innocent women and children. UAL also highlighted that Uripok Yambem Laikai Club Mairapaibi took part in the relay hunger strike today. Women folk of Top Kongnang Makong Maning Laikai under Ketrigao constituency took out a sit-in protesting against killing and arrests of village volunteers at Salungpam on December 14th last year. Protesters chanted slogans against killing of village volunteer and also demanded for release of 6 village volunteers without any conditions. They also demanded for removal of AFSPA 1958 from the state.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯈꯣꯡꯗ ꯆꯤꯡꯌꯥꯗ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯇꯥꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯇꯨꯡꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯜ ꯉꯥꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯊ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯕꯥꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯞꯇꯨꯅ ꯏꯔꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯁꯨꯛ ꯋꯥꯅ ꯑꯍꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯜ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯊꯛꯄ ꯆꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯍꯟꯖꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯆꯔꯤꯕ ꯏꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯐꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯉꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯕꯨꯁꯨ ꯐꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯃꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯁꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯩ.
Security forces have arrested 3 members belonging to 2 outlawed groups in separate operations that were conducted in the state. Security forces arrested 2 active members of KCP PWG along with arms from Uningkong in Tobal district. The arrested persons are identified as Tokchom Laxmikanta Singh, alias Hapu, age 28, and Dinesh Tokchom, alias Dawn, age 23. Security forces also recovered 2 9mm pistols, 5 live rounds of bullet for 9mm, 3 mobile handsets, 1 4-wheeler, and 10,000 rupees in cash. In another operation, security forces arrested an active cadre of proscribed KYKL from Langol Type 3 under Imphal West District on January 22. The arrested person is identified as 24-year-old Maibam Bronson Singh, alias Thambo, alias Ngamba. According to police, the arrested person was involved in extortion case from general public. Police also recovered 1 2-wheeler and a mobile handset. Security forces have recovered numerous weapons during their search operation at various places. Police reported that security force conducted a search operation at Wabagai Buffalo Farm under Kakching Police Station of Kakching District and recovered weapons including 1 airgun rifle, 2 HE grenade, 2 5.1mm live high explosive shell, 10 7.62 mm live rounds, 15 AK rifle empty case, 4 stun shell normal, and a BP vest along with 2 BP plate. Meanwhile, security force recovered 1 single-bore gun, 1 country-made pistol with magazine, 1 9mm pistol magazine, 10 36 HE hand grenade, 1 Baofeng radio set, 1 anti-riot grenade, 1 stun shell normal, 50.3 Note 3 blank round, 36 live round ammunitions, and 45 empty cases of various ammunitions from Fungai Ching, Ngamukong under Nongpok Sekmai Police Station of Tobal District. On the other hand, security force recovered 1 SMG carbine with magazine, 1 12-bore single barrel, 60 live round bullets, 5 UBGL round, and 2 grenade from Zairol and Uchatol village under Jiribam PS of Jiribam district. The recovered weapons were handed over to their respective police stations. Continuing war against drugs under Manipur government. Combined team consisting of Churachandpur District Police, DFO Churachandpur Central Forces destroyed 12 acres of illicit poppy cultivation in Sidon Changpikot area in Dampi Reserve Forest under Sangaikot Police Station in Churachandpur District. However, there has been no report of any arrest in connection with poppy plantation at the area. And now we'll take a short break. Stay tuned for more news.
Hi, are you thinking for the best coaching center? Yes, you are absolutely right. Your Dream Institute is now in your city. Career Point Kota is now open.
Slopeland Public School, largest residential school affiliated to CBSE. Admission open for the new sessions 2025-26. For LKZ to class 9, safe and environmental friendly e-campus, free admission fees. Join the community of lifelong learners.
Only Slopeland Public School, Khongjong.
And welcome back after the news. 6 Assam Rifles has organized an ex-serviceman rally in Tamenglong district today. The rally, which was organized as a tribute to the veterans for their contributions in safeguarding the nation, was attended by 50 ex-servicemen and their families from Tamenglong and Noni district. Assam Rifles look into the pension and documentation issue faced by the ex-servicemen during the event, and a medical was also conducted for the ex-servicemen. Assam Rifles expressed that they aim to organize such venture in the future. 29 Battalion BSF organized civic action program at its CI post Mapo East today and distributed several items to villages. According to BSF, village chiefs of Tumukong, Tangjing Pokpi, Lopong, Chadong and Nongdam Tangkul village attended the program, which was organized under the aegis of Sector Headquarters BSF CI Operation Manipur. During the program, BSF distributed several items such as HDPE pipe, solar street light with pole, ceiling fan and water syntax, along with sports items including carom board, volleyball and football to the villages. BSF also urged the youths to stay healthy and safeguard their surroundings. Students of GP Women's College have demanded the appointment of principal from senior faculties. Addressing a press meet held today at the conference hall of GP Women's College, General Secretary of the College Students' Union Tokchom Yaipabi informed that the post of principal has been lying vacant following the retirement of its former principal in December 2024, emphasizing the need for a principal to be appointed from among the college senior faculties who have been fully aware about the college academic atmosphere. Yaipabi cautioned that the student will resort to democratic forms of agitation if the authorities concerned fail to meet their demand. She also informed that the students have already asked Dhanamajiri University on this matter.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ GP Women College ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯠꯃꯣꯁꯐꯤꯌꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯂꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ GP Women College ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯋꯥꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯂꯕ GP Women College ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯃꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ GP Women College ꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯁꯤꯄꯜ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯖꯔꯤ ꯁꯦꯅꯤꯌꯔ ꯃꯣꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅꯔꯨꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯅ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ
Salungpham Youth Club (SYC) has urged authorities concerned to mitigate the grievances pertaining to inaccessibility of mobile network in Salungpham area. In a press release, SYC asserted that the inaccessibility to mobile networks and internet in and around the locality has caused immense difficulties to its students and general public in exchanging information and mobile phone-related affairs, including internet services, despite installing many mobile towers. It asks authorities concerned to fix the problem at the earliest. Patriotic Writers Forum (PAWF) Manipur has invited writers under 35 to nominate themselves for the Arambam Ibongohal and Binod Kumari Literary Award 2024. It asked interested writers from the state and outside the state to submit 5 copies of their anthologies, which were written in Manipuri language and had published within January 2023 to December 2024, to submit along with copies of their biodata, passport photograph, Aadhaar cards at the office of PAWF by February 6 this year. In addition, the forum also invites nomination for Pachamite Literary Award 2025, Dr. Saroj Nalini Arambam Parat Literary Award 2025, and R. Kating Tangkul Literary Award 2025. It added that interested writers from Manipur and outside Manipur whose short stories are written in Manipuri language and in patriotic themes and which are not yet published can be submitted at the office of PAWF by February 6. Now let's take a look at the national news. 10 opposition MPs were suspended for a day on Friday following heated disruptions during a joint parliamentary committee (JPC) meeting on the contentious WAF Amendment Bill 2024. The suspended MPs include Kalyan Banerjee, Mohammad Jawad, A. Raja, Asaduddin Owaisi, Nasir Hussain Mohibullah, M. Abdullah, Arvind Sawant, Nadimul Haq and Imran Masood. The suspension motion, moved by BJP MP Nishikant Dubey, was approved by the panel after opposition members accused the government of rushing the bill's approval ahead of Delhi elections. Trinamool Congress MP Kalyan Banerjee criticized JPC chairman Jagdambika Pal, accusing him of authoritarianism and ignoring opposition voices. The opposition also walked out during the meeting, alleging that the government had not provided enough time to review the proposed changes to the bill. Congress MP Nasir Hussain called the process politically motivated and claimed it lacked transparency. In response, BJP MPs including Aparajita Sarangi condemned the opposition's conduct, describing it as disgusting and accusing them of using unparliamentary language. The WAF Amendment Bill 2024 seeks to address key changes in the management of WAF properties, a sensitive subject with significant political and social implications. Meghalaya government has burned 53 crores 86 lakh worth of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance. According to India Today Notice report, the narcotic items were incinerated at Star Cement Limited of Lumshnong, East Jaintia Hills District by High-Level and District-Level Drug Disposal Committee of Meghalaya Police, led by Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday. The disposed drugs consist of NDPS cases registered in 5 districts: East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Ribhoi, West Jaintia Hills and East Jaintia Hills district. CM Sangma said that the government is supporting vulnerable youth in their battle against drug abuse through drug reduction, elimination and action mission DREAM. And now the weather report. According to ICAR Regional Center Lamphilpat, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 24 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 6 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 95% in the morning and 22% in the evening. And now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Full dress rehearsal held at historic Kangla as part of preparation for 76th Republic Day celebration to be held on January 26th. And 4.8 magnitude earthquake reported with epicenter in Myanmar closer to Manipur border in early hours of Friday. That's all we have for now. Wishing you a great year ahead and a happy new year. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.